Hello, welcome to another video with Choco Tries. And today we're going to be unboxing my October Ipsy bag. So it came in the mail today and I'm going to just open it up to see what they have sent out. I feel a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so the first thing that I see is a brush from Farah, the blender brush 25E. So there it is, nice little brush. And this is the October bag, which is super cute. And it's green on the top part. Very pretty details. Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay, so let's open the box and let's see. Seems like they packed this well. And this box is Pretty Wicked Fangs Out lipstick on this mouth. Embrace the unconventional. Vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black mayonnaise. And you just might vant with us. Okay, that's different. It's cute. And I'll just open it up. It shows all the information about the products that I've received. So the brush is the Fair Blender brush 25E Rose Gold Collection, and it goes for $11. Little brush, still a little blender brush. And so let's see. Not only is this blender brush an essential for creating the perfect smoky eye, it's totally display worthy tool. We can't get enough of the chic rose gold handle and how much the control gives us when we blend our eyeshadow. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty free. That's good. So let's see here. The next one is the Gold Fading MD Doctor Scrub Ruby Crystal Moderna Exfoliator. So it's an Ipsy HQ Fave. It retails for $38 for the full size. And so it says that this much loved scrub features ruby crystals to help polish away dead skin cells to help to create a brighter, tighter complexion. And that is nice. Another scrub. I love facial scrubs. That's like all I use. So next we have the Basic Beauty Lip Gloss in Literally. So cute. And it retails in the full size for $15. Say hello to your new favorite lip gloss, the shimmery, shiny, moisturizing, and plumping, but 0% sticky and tacky. Plus, it has a yummy vanilla scent you'll love. Let me check the vanilla scent. I love lip glosses. Like, that is my thing. That's all I wear is lip gloss all the time. So, ooh. Oh, it's shiny. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness, it almost matches with my nail polish. Yeah, I smell the vanilla. late? Is it too late for lip gloss? It's never too late. Yes, oh, I like that. It's very smooth and creamy. Makes my lips feel happy. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Let's see. There's the Skylar Clean Beauty. The Skylar Fall Cashmere Fragrance, and let's see here, the deluxe sample. I have the deluxe sample, but the full size goes for $85. It's in the scent Cashmere. So let's open this up, see what it smells like. I love fragrances, like I'm always trying to find a nice fragrance. Oh, there's a roller ball. On the oh, that smells nice. Oh, yes. I wasn't really like, oh, I'll give some away, but this I'm keeping. I love that. It smells so good. Okay, and last but not least, the Rerum Natural Body Cream, and the full-size version goes for $6.50. They're very nice. Oh, it smells nice now. So this healthy body lotion smells super fresh thanks to the notes of sweet orange, and it's good for you. Also, it's made without questionable ingredients such like synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, or parabens, and it is instated. It's loaded with natural moisturizer and shea butter and olive oil. So a lovely body lotion. Let's see what it smells like. It's nice. Very clean scent. A little out. My hands are dry. Oh yeah, you can smell that. That's kind of minty and like a citrus scent. It's nice. Hands are like really not greasy. It melts really well into the skin. So that is going to do it for all my items from Ipsy. Got a lip gloss, body lotion, facial scrub, the perfume, and then the brush. All for $13 total, I would say, after tax, for the Ipsy bag that I get. So this is the Glam bag, and I want to thank everyone for watching the video. I hope to see you again soon. Be doing other subscription boxes, or if there's a subscription box that you would like me to unbox, then I would be happy to do that. Just leave it in the comments, and hope to see you another day. I want to thank you again, and please leave a like, subscribe, and hope to see you next video. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.